Ramco Epoxy Tile Grout is a two-component product. Part A resin, Part B hardener. Pour Ramco Epoxy Tile Grout Part B into the container with Part A for mixing. Mix both components thoroughly till attaining a homogeneous paste. Remove all the spaces between the tiles, ensure the surface is clean. Fill the paste between tile joints within 1 hour of mixing and wait for 10 minutes for drying. Use dry and clean float at a 45-degree angle to the tile surface to remove excess grout. Clean the joints with the help of wet sponge to remove excess grout residue within 20 minutes of application and allow it to cure for 24 hours.